Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can download YouTube music videos to your phone. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, just simply open up YouTube Music. And right over here as you can see, there are many videos, but you gotta find YouTube Music to be specific. So what you can do is just go to subscriptions right over here and you can find YouTube Music right over here. But if you can't find it, just simply type in music or music video that you want to download. So music video, and right over here you will find plenty of music videos right over here. So what you can do is just simply find the music video that you want to download and press on these three icons, and right over here you will be able to see download on the videos. But first of all, you obviously need to have premium for this. So if you don't have premium, you cannot download all the music videos, but you have to have YouTube premium. And here as you can see, it says download videos, so you must have YouTube premium to download YouTube music videos. Otherwise you can, it's literally hard to find any video to download which are music videos. So yeah, you can just find your YouTube premium, get it, and then downloading is as simple as like that. You just gotta press on these three dots and you'll see the option of download video right over here. So this is a basic video and you can just simply download it, and here as you can see it says downloading, and it will be in your downloads like this. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.